Libra. This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of July. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Libra? Kamusta ang buhay? Kamusta ang puso? Kamusta mga desisyon sa buhay? Kung nakapag-desisyon ba? Alright? Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of July. Let's see kung anong bago. Kung may bago ba? Kung anong luma? Napaulit-ulit. Libra. Alright. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of July. Ingat po sa mga scammers. Hindi ako magme-message ng door-to-door sa inyo. If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Okie-dokie. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of July. Ang ating mga crystals, pwede ko pa rin ibigay sa inyo ng promo price. Libra.
Manifest, 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 manifest.
Trying to heal, trying to... Okay. Nagkaroon ng isang toxic relationship sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, nagstay ka dito and that's because of your decision to stay. You're trying to heal from this connection na paulit-ulit kang nabigyan ng betrayal, backstabbing energy, dishonest energy. Okie-dokie. So, whatever you try to manifest, hindi natuloy, nagkaroon ng mga blockages about this connection, naisip mo sana magkaroon ng isang long-term, happy family energy relationship. But, hindi naman nagkaroon ng equal give and take sa relationship na to. Hindi nag-move forward, walang good news, walang good outcome, and I feel hindi naman kayo nag-uusap ng maayos right now. But kung ano man tong relationship na to, na binigyan ng divine, like nag-intervene, no? Nag-intervene ng divine na sabi niya kailangan magkaroon ng malaking transformation ang relationship na to. But I feel yung transformation na to has more to do with your own transformation, the way you think, the way you deal with relationship, the way you value yourself, the way you love other people. Okay? May mga pangako sa connection na to, still parang pending, hindi naman naibigay. You feel emotionally attached and heavily burdened by this connection, but I feel you don't have the will for now or the strength to na i-pursue or ipaglaban ang connection na to. You're trying to step back sa pag-offer ng love kahit kanino for now because marami nang nangyaring injustice or unfair situation sa life mo recent past. Okay. You're thinking of like a solid and well-founded relationship, stable connection, happy. But naalala mo lahat yung mga maling nagawa mo in the past. Kung bakit ba no yung mga naging relationships, connections, business and love ay ano rin ba yung mga contributions mo, bakit ka nagkamali, bakit hindi natuloy or bakit nasira yung mga connections na to. Someone wants to reconcile with the feminine, but the feminine is parang fed up na. I feel sasagot naman. But there is a fed-up energy here na if ever na the masculine would reach out, talagang makakatanggap ng mahabang script ang masculine na to. Sabi ng masculine, marami siyang natutunan about this connection with the wisdom card and ready daw siyang tanggapin kung ano man yung magiging flow ng conversation na to. Let's see. Anong ginawa ng masculine? Palo yan sa universe, okay? You might be dealing with Libra, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn. Alright, let's see. Libra. Ano pinagdagagawa ng mga Libra? Okay? To heal your heart chakra. To heal your heart chakra. To heal your emotional wounds. Okay? Madagascar rose quartz, the pink crystal. Okay, that is for the heart chakra. If you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, the abundant and happy crystal. Alright? Mental clarity, amethyst, and stronger connection with the divine amethyst, the purple crystal. Okay? The reason for the reading is nagkaroon ng third energy dito, isang connection na hindi mo dapat pinasok. Naging toxic para sa'yo ang relationship na to. The masculine has been involved with a third-party connection na hindi naman niya mabitiwan. Alam ng masculine na hindi tama para sa kanya ang babae na to, pero for whatever reason the masculine has, hindi naman niya binitiwan. Recent pa, sabi ng mga Libra, gagawa siya ng new beginning, new cycle, clean slate, new way of thinking. Kung ano man daw yung mga like natapos na connection, iiwanan na in the past. You're manifesting something new, new beginning, mas masaya, mas maayos, mas stable. Prayers and manifestations. For now, sabi ng mga Libra, napapagod mo na siyang magplano kasi lagi na lang parang hindi nagiging maganda yung outcome. Gusto mo nang magpahinga, mag-isip, mag-heal. Meron kang gustong kausapin, but iniisip mo lang, hindi mo rin alam kung paano gagawin tong conversation na to. Right now, sabi ng mga Libra, trying to rebuild connections, business, dating site, reconnection with friends, party, reunions, okay? You're surrounded by friends, and I feel this is your way to heal, okay? To balance out the energy. Meron kang iniwanan na, okay, tingnan muna natin on the business side. Meron kang iniwanan na kabuhayan, and I feel may natanggap ka naman, natapos ang kontrata, may nakuha, may na-gain, may na-harvest. You feel so broken-hearted because you feel like ang dami mong itinanim sa business or career na to. Sinubukan mo namang ilaban, but it feels like talagang parang it's really time for you to walk away from this business or career situation. May isang love din na gusto mo sanang magbigay ng buo, mag-invest ulit, mag-rekindle ng romantic connection na to, but someone is questioning kung gaano ba katatag ang relationship na to, kung may mabibuild pa ba. You walk away from something na sabi mo is ready ka namang mag-invest ng buo. But I feel hindi mo na-express ng mabuti with the High Priestess in reverse kung ano yung plano at like intention mo for this connection. It's like naging go with the flow and you're expecting na sana magkaroon ng magandang harvest time. Nagkaroon ng disappointment and broken heart energy sa connection na to because walang na-build at nagkaroon lang ng conflict, away, gulo, drama. And I feel nag-walk away ka na sa connection na to kahit gaano pa yung naging investment mo dito, time, love, money, pagtitiwala, okay. Right now, I feel you're dating, you're going out with friends, starting over, rebuilding connections. Right now, parang napapagod ka ng mag-work. And like, pagdating sa mga connections, minsan napapagod ka na rin. Libra kasi may pagka-social butterfly yung energy. But parang napapagod ka na kumbaga sa trabaho, ang bilis ng turnover ng friends. But lagi mong tatandaan kung sino yung mga tinanggal sa'yo ng universe, yung mga tao na yon are meant to like, na maging part lang ng chapter ng buhay mo. Your person, marami siyang iniisip, overthinking, having like, this person is parang nasa rock bottom, feeling very sad, napaka-heavy kasi ng word na depressed, pero yun yung nararamdaman ko. Emotionally not okay, walking away from this connection. Sobra-sobra yung sadness, grieving, but nile-let go na niya ang connection na to. Letting go, and this is like happiness in reverse, tanggap niya na yung mga happy times in the past, tapos na. And kung may mga batang involved, alam niya na naapektuhan ang mga bata. Meron kang fear and doubt about your own skills, your own manifestations, about who you are, sino ka ba talaga, ano ba talaga yung kaya mong gawin, ano ba yung mga achievements, kaya mo bang gawin, kung ano yung tama with the Judgment in the Pride and Emperor energy. Okay? Maraming doubts for now. So, I feel kailangan talagang magpahinga, pag-isipang mabuti ang mga next na mga plano. Okay? Until the end of October, very Libra na naman, nahihirapang mag-decide, analysis paralysis energy. Ano daw ang tamang gawin? You feel so broken-hearted about the situation, pero you're not making any move, you're not giving any offer, hindi ka nagbibigay ng effort, pero umaasa ka na magkakaroon ng magandang outcome. Oh my gosh. Ano ba talaga gusto ng mga Libra? Okay. You're not moving. Sabi ng mga Libra, there's someone here na hindi makagawa ng tamang decision, hindi makakommit sa tamang landas. Still, parang nakatali at hindi makamove forward sa toxicity, sa toxic habits, bisyo, sugal, substance, alak. You feel so broken-hearted. You might feel broken-hearted and disappointed sa situation mo until the end of October. And pinagpe-pray mo kay God. Ito yung nakakatawa. Pinagpe-pray mo kay God na magkaroon ng magandang outcome ang buhay mo. Pero hindi ka naman gumagawa ng move. And you're not making any commitment and decision para mawala ang broken heart energy. Para matanggal ka sa toxicity na to. Sa toxic cycle na dati mo pa dapat inalis ang sarili mo. Any more clarification? Very, very unevolved Libra energy. Any more clarification about the outcome? Walang mababago kung walang binabago. Why are you expecting a different and a new result if you're doing the same thing over and over again? Same old paghihirap, same old baggages, same old toxicity, same old heartbreak and pain because someone is not moving towards the light. Gusto sa dilim. Ano to? So, paano maayos ang relationship if someone is not making the right decision? And I feel this is more about the masculine's call. The angels are calling the masculine to make the right decision this time. Alright? But still, free will to. Wala akong nakikitang magandang outcome for now until the end of October because free will naman to. Alright? You might be dealing with an Aries, Cancer, Leo, strong Leo energy. Yeah, to protect your energy, anti-evil eye. Okay. I feel there's also a relationship that is energetically dragging you down. Okay? Pag alam mong toxic ang situation at maraming karma tong tao na to, you really have to let these connections go. Kasi if you enter into a partnership, business or love, okay, naghahati kayo ng good and bad karma. Kaya nga sabi nga para, uy, ang swerteng kasama nitong tao na to. Minsan man parang simula nung nakilala mo tong tao na to, inalat-alat na yung buhay mo, sunod-sunod yung hindi magandang, yung mga misfortunes, okay? So, to ground your energy and shoo away negativity and anti-evil eye, Madagascar, black tourmaline, the black crystal. Okay, yan yung basic natin. Protection, love, and money. The courage, because very Libra energy cannot decide what to decide. Okay, the courage, motivation to do whatever you're manifesting. The carnelian bracelet, this is also for good luck. Okay, meron tayong bagong charm. This is Cinnabar. You can, search for Cinnabar. This is for love and money. So, nagtatanong about red string. Ito na po yung palit natin sa red string. Cinnabar. Alright? So, Ingat sa mga scammers, hindi ako magdo-door-to-door message sa inyo. For now, wala akong makitang good news yet para sa ating mga Libra because meron mga decisions na kailangan gawin ang ating mga Libra. Okay? So, feminine, if you're dealing with a toxic masculine, mag-isip na mabuti. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga toxicity, I don't feel na parang this is more about salita na gagawin, magbabago. But kung titignan mo yung patterns ng tao na to, still using substance, still a drunkard, still babaero, still tamad, still sugarol, still, not pursuing the dreams, ang tamad, puro lang salita, okay? Procrastination, actually very, very, But yeah, kahit naman anong sabihin natin na, like, eto yung potential energy, nasa sa atin pa rin, nasa free will natin yan because binigyan tayo ni God ng free will, alright? And that would be the Libra reading for the month of July. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Libra!